Well, there was a chicken once called Mike, Mike the Headless Chicken. This is a true story, sure. So he got his head cut off, yet he survived for several years without a head. Because he became such a tourist attraction that they fed him down his neck. There was a little bit of his brainstem that was still attached, and he could still move around. He could still, I think he's where the kind of name came from, like running around like a headless chicken.
Yeah.
And headless chickens, like you can cut off their head and they'll move for a little bit, but this chicken named Mike. But yeah, this headless chicken lived for 7 years now.